What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. I just realized that I have my NPC turned down really low. I'm gonna go turn it up. I'll be back. All right, so welcome to today's live stream. As I said, I'm him. Today is Tuesday, September the 10th. We're already in the second week of September, which is insane to think that the second week of September ends this week. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and hop into work. I have a meeting that I got to jump into at 11:15, so I get about 2.5, 3 hours where I get to get some stuff done before people wake up in the West Coast. For what it's worth, I normally try to wake up early and actually get my work done. And sometimes I'll stream later in the day, but today I decided to stream early. Anyway, let's go to my screen. So last night, I ended up working on this thing right here. Yo, what's up, Frankie? How you doing? Good morning or good evening, good night, whatever time it is for you. Good, whatever that is. This morning for me though, it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, so this request right here is actually going to our API, and I needed to have a way where we could call our API from a client without authentication, and that's what this is. So what I'm going to do now is build this into an actual demo, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna just build it as a demo right quick. It's not going to be. I could do it in the next project. I could do that, or I could just do it as this basic ass HTML file, which is what I think I'm going to do. Been a while. Wait, hold on. It's been a while. I haven't been on your channel. Oh, dude, no, don't worry. I mean, it's the way I look at YouTube. It's like, you know, every now and again you might see a video if I post a video. Or, you know, if you're someone who prefers live streams, maybe you'll see the live streams. They're on VOD though, so, you know, don't feel like you have to be here. One day I'll actually start editing my VOD so that, you know, it's not just me sitting here. It's actually something, you know, shorter, maybe. All right, I'm looking, let me put this in progress. Is there anything else I can work on today? Easily. Maybe. Oh, well, there's no outcome from this. This is just my work. That's why, so I think, what was it? This year, maybe? I think this year I started doing my virtual co-working, and it aligns with work. So I'm able to do my live streaming while also getting my work done. So if no one is actually tuned in or chatting, whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's like I'm working. So technically I'm getting paid to be here right now. Yo, what's up? I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna try to pronounce it. Is it Dulak Senura? If I mispronounce it, my bad. I can't pronounce that. So I'm trying, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a basic web page. There's no need to be fancy yet. All I need is, wait, hold on. Let me, before I start saying all I need, let me actually look at the design. Wait, what am I doing right now? Am I working on the SMS or email? Wait, how come this is opening in my browser? Wait a minute, I'm confused. I thought this was the Figma app. No wonder I'm confused. Okay, so what am I building here? So this is the double opt-in. I don't think I'm building that right now. Text to subscribe, text to opt in. Wait a minute, I thought I was doing an email collection form. What the hell? Wait, what? Login form. This form is inherently a part of a service I have. Email newsletter collection. Okay, well, I don't see a design for that, so I'm gonna make my own design, which is gonna be a basic ass web page. Let's create that right quick. I'll use Visual Studio for this. Visual Studio Code rather. Do a new text file. We'll make sure that this is HTML. And what's dope about this is that I can use the snippet HTML5 and now I have my HTML page. Look at that. All right, next is I wanna like wait until the body is loaded before I run a script. So I'll just load it in the body at the bottom. And then let's just put an H1 here. So we'll do a H1, let's just say, we'll call it the header, I guess. All right, and then we'll just call this email newsletter. I don't know. I'm gonna just call it this. I don't know what else to call it. No, go away. I don't want to save this yet. Okay. Next, I'm gonna need some type of an input. So we'll do an input of email. And this is going to be the email. Oops. And then we'll also call, all of this is just email. We'll call it the email input. Although I don't know if I really need an ID right now. Okay, so this is going to be my input. Actually, you know what? Maybe this should be a form. Yeah, this should probably be a form. Let's create one. We're going to do a post. Yeah. We're going to do a post. And the action, we're going to... Actually, no, we're not going to do it as a form. We're just going to do it as a button. We'll just do a regular button. So we'll do button, type, button. Really weird. And then maybe I should give it an ID, maybe. So we'll call it ID, and then we'll call this the submit button. Something like that, I suppose. All right, and then we'll say sign up. You know, I'm gonna save it now. How about that? Because I keep accidentally doing it. So we're gonna call this index HTML for now, and we'll come up with a better name in the future. So with that, let's copy and paste my code that I've developed somewhere over here. This. Man, this is deja vu. It looks like I've seen this before for some reason. I know I wrote it, but still, like, it seems like I've seen it somewhere else. All right, so the one that we're going to be using is this one here, this particular example. All right. What's up with this formatting though? All right, so we got that. I guess all of these need to be tabbed over. Maybe that's the issue. Yeah. Okay, so now we have this function here that's doing some stuff. The one signal ID, sure. Yeah, I'll just hard code it for now. Yeah, that's good. I don't need any comments here. All right, so the type is always going to be email, but the token is going to come from the input. So we're going to grab it. And maybe, I don't know, maybe I should disable the button if there is no email content, maybe, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pretend that all of this works the way it is meant to work. So with that, what we're going to do is go to our document, and we're going to do, what is it? Oh, dude, yo, what's up? My bad. I'm just now seeing this Gaming Garage. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to today's stream. And I see your question, Frankie. What would you do if you had to start from the beginning with all those new skills? SaaS and SaaS and easy service offered nowadays. I don't know if I understand your question. What would you do if you had to start from the beginning with all those new skills? What new skills are you referring to? Just out of curiosity. We're gonna do a get element by name. I think I can do that. Unless did I give it an ID? I forgot. Input type. No, okay. ID. Okay. Email input. So I gave it an ID. So we'll grab the email input. And then we are going to want the value. Is it the value or is it like text or something? How do you get the text of a input? I have forgotten. Let's just see. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Value. So it is value. Why don't I have value here? Maybe I'll just do get attribute and then say value. Maybe that'll give it to me. Okay, and I'm going to assume that the enabled should be true, and let's launch this and see what happens. Huh? Ah, shit, I forgot I forgot that these live servers have a requirement that the thing be in a folder. So we'll just call this opt-in. I'm gonna throw this in here too. All right, look at that. We have a little thingamajig. Let's see if it does things. Await is only a valid and async function. Wait, where am I awaiting? Okay. Oh, here. Oh, it must be this. Yeah, it's this right here. So there's an easy way to solve this one. What I'm gonna do is wrap this in a function. So we'll do we'll call this I don't know, submit email or something like that for now. We'll come up with a better name in the future, maybe. Probably not though. All right, this is gonna be an async function. Oops, spell it correctly, maybe. All right, submit email, and it's not gonna take anything. It's just gonna do these things. Okay, so now we have this function defined, and now on here we can do an on submit or on. Is it on submit or is it on click? I think it's on click. And then I should be able to. Actually, I don't know if I can put JavaScript here. Now that I think about it. Let's see. I wouldn't be surprised if it yells at me and it's like, nah, you can't do this. Like, I really wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, it's not gonna do that. So I think I might be able to just do this right here. Just say submit email. Wait, why? What is this? What just happened here? Why did what? All right, let's see here. SaaS, software as a service, AI, etc. Oh, like what type of company would I want to go and work for? A SaaS company? Honestly, it doesn't matter. They're all the same. It doesn't really make a difference to me. I wouldn't do any of this type of stuff. I've had these skills before I started working. I want to be clear. Like, obviously, they're much more mature. They're much deeper than they were when I first started, of course. But I started doing this very young. So a lot of the skills that I have now, I had in the past. They were just better now. So I'd probably do the same thing that I did when that got me here, which is just whatever is interesting to me at the time. What is trending, or what is an investment in the future in a business perspective? I'm not sure. I can think more about those types of things on my after hours live streams. For these, this is my work. All right, let's see if this submit, like if it's gonna, yeah, let's see if it'll actually do the thing. Let's just see what happens. I should expect, if this works, I should see a error or something logged, not an error, but I should just see something logged in the console. So let's go and see what we see. All right, so we'll refresh. Wait a minute, whoa. Did I not save? Await is only, wait a minute, what? Where am I awaiting? All right, maybe if I clear it and refresh. Okay, all right, that was just old. It was just hanging around. Okay. I'm like, I don't understand what's going on. And I also don't like how Grammarly is injecting itself into this page. What the fuck? No, go away. Never. Okay, cool. Now I removed it. All right, perfect. So there's no BS here anymore. All right, then we get this code injected by the server. We don't care about that. Okay, cool. Now let's see if I can create this email. So we're going to say, I am not Will Shepherd at gmail.com. Sign up. What happens? Does the button do anything? No, it doesn't. Okay, so the button doesn't do shit. Now, I'm not even gonna lie. I have no idea how you call a function from regular ass HTML. I've only ever done this stuff with a framework, like a UI library. So I got to figure out, how should I call this? I thought that I would be able to just, put in here as a string. Actually, you know what? Maybe I can. Maybe I could put in a string the function that it needs to be. Maybe that. So let me find. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. Let me close this. All right, let's find. Did I close Visual? No, I didn't. All right, let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, so that's not it either. All right, so this is going to be a ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Oh, I had to call it. Okay. I don't know. I had to call it. I thought I could just give it the function and it would call it for me. Okay. So I had to do that. Perfect. Well, actually, I don't know if this is right yet. This could be wrong as hell. Let's see. Let's. All right. I've lost my page somehow. Host. Okay, we don't care. All right, cool. So we're going to do test@email.com. Sign up. Yeah, there we go. That worked. Perfect. So let's go and confirm that this was actually created, which is app one signal. It's like 202 something. I think iOS user model maybe. 202. Yeah. All right. Now let's go to my subscriptions and we should have a new email for tests. Okay, it's not here, but it is here. The actual this should be a bug. How was this created? I don't know if this is obvious what's happening, but the value, where is it at? Let me see if I can find it. Where do this right here. I don't think that this is giving me what I expect. It's giving me undefined. So let's see what is. All right, so we'll do that. Yeah, it's giving me null. That doesn't exist. So let's see how I can get access to the thing that I need. So we'll do document, get element, ID. So I'll get IntelliSense here or some type of completion that I wasn't getting before, which is helpful to me. So if I do this, I see that I get the actual input. Now let's see if I can get anything off of here. No, nothing. I would have expected to be able to see some new things pop up here. I guess that's too much to ask. No worry, ChatGPT is here. That's literally what I'm doing. I was hoping that it would give me a better way. Like something that actually works. And why is it rewriting the whole thing? Like I really don't need to see this. But I'm going to just do .value instead of doing .attribute. So maybe I will not rely on IntelliSense. I'll just assume that it's there on the thing. So let's try it out now. See what happens. All right, so we're going to do the same thing since it didn't actually get created. Test@email.com. Sign up, user created. All right, let's refresh. And this one subscribed, so this one must have worked. Yep, there we are. Okay, perfect. So we're done. Yeah, this is done now. So let's change something. So this is going to be email, of course. I don't want this to be like that, if that makes sense. I'm going to change it a little bit. We're going to do const, and then we'll say email is equal to this right here. Email. Wait a minute. Yeah, fuck it. I'm very lazy right now. If I would have kept it, I would have to do this and then go and find where to end it. And I don't want to do that. So fuck it. I'm not going to do it. Rest of this app ID, we'll say app ID. Anything else needs to change? No, it doesn't look like it. All right. Now with that, I'll delete this request. Move, go away. And is this a, nope, it's not. This is client side. Oh man, I don't know what this should be called. I don't know, email, SMS collection examples. All right, I'll just call a sample. We'll put this on OneSignal developers, and then this is demonstrates. How to collect user emails and SMS and phone numbers from a web client. Public, fine, that's fine. Create SMS. Yep, I do want to add that as a remote. Origin is fine. Would you like to push commits? Sure. All right, look at that. And I'm not about to upgrade. Screw that. All right, cool. Now we have one of these done. I think I need to go and create a README, or I should just create a README. So let's do that. readme.md and README. All right, I've already forgotten what I call this project. Oh my gosh. Fuck, what do I call this thing? Email SMS collect. Okay, email and SMS client side collection, webs collection. I don't know. Someone's gonna have to rename this. It's deal with that. Okay, and I'll write some. Actually, what I'll do is, if I go to Chrome, I think I had it open. Maybe I closed it. Yeah, it looks like I closed it. So, is it activity? Yeah, I'll just take this right here. Wait, ooh, no, I don't want that. That's the wrong one. Email, yeah. I'm gonna take this. We'll just plop that in here. We'll rename it another day. Okay, good guides, yeah. Get rid of these spurious new lines. Okay, cool. We're all good, mostly. Add README. Is it show or view? I think it's show. Oh, it's view. All right, cool. Something's wrong. It seems that GHM doesn't like the equal, which tells which is a special. It's like a special modifier that tells some markdown engines that you want line numbers rendered. So I think that's why they were all that way. So let's update, commit directly to main, which means I'm gonna have to pull. Okay, yeah, there we go, cool. This is upset because this is technically not JSON. Yeah, this is technically not JSON. All right, I have an idea of how I can fix that one. So instead of calling this JSON, we'll call it JavaScript. And we'll call this a payload. All right, and that's going to be equal to this object with subscriptions. All right, I think that should be good. Oh, my bad. I just not noticed. See, the idea of, hold on. What is trending? See, the idea of having to work for others often turns me off. Well, to be fair, who else are you working for? You live in a society, right? Like, you can't just work for yourself. Like, you're no matter what you're doing, even if you own your own businesses, you are working for others. That's how it works, right? Like, that's the point of labor. It's to build our society and, you know, make it livable. So yeah, you're always gonna have to work for others, even when you are on your own. Why not working on my ideas so I can work on bigger ones later on? Why not working on my ideas so I can work on bigger ones later on? Why am I not interested in, well, I'm not sure. I may have forgot, my bad. You have all the tools to create your own company. Well, I created my own company once in the past. And you know, it was a good way to go through 180 grand, you know. I'm good. I've done it before. I realized that, you know what? I don't like managing people. I hate managing people. I just don't want to deal with it. So as a result, I went back to the regular workforce, and now I don't have to manage people or anything, you know. The buck doesn't end. It doesn't start or end with me anymore, which I'm fine with, you know. I appreciate being able to have that be someone else's problem, and when I'm off, I'm mostly off. Well, the thing is, it's never as easy as you think. You know, hiring is incredibly difficult. In fact, what I was working on was in that space, in the recruiting space, meant to help, you know, hiring managers hire employees, because it's harder than you think. Like, you know, you may take for granted how difficult it is to find someone who's not only competent, but who is trustworthy, who can actually get the job done, who isn't like a net loss to the team, like a detractor to the team. Like, there's a lot of things that goes into hiring someone. And sure, you could be like, oh yeah, you could try them out, but like, I don't know if you've ever had to pay people salaries, but it's not that fun to have to pay someone thousands of dollars a month for them to not be doing the thing that you're paying them to do, right? Like, you know, if I had infinite money, sure, you know, if I was Bezos, I can afford to, you know, just have a few people on payroll making $150,000, $200,000 a year, sure, but I don't. So it's just like, you know, it's a risk that I can't afford. I can't afford to spend 6 to 7 months trying to hire someone, and then it's the wrong hire. That could literally bankrupt me at this point in my life. Like, I'm not like stupid rich, whereas I can lose millions of dollars and I'm okay. Like, I'm not there. So nah, I've decided to, instead of hire a manager, like, if there is a hiring manager that's going to happen, it's going to be a manager at my current company. I will play a role in the interview process. I like it like that. I think that's the most involvement I want. It's just be like, yeah, I'll talk to the person, you know, I can say yes or no, but outside of that, I'm good. I'll leave that to other people now. I've had my fill. Like, I've got to live a bunch of different lives that a lot of people dream and aspire to live, and I've realized that they're all the fucking same. Just be happy with what you have. Where is? Oh, here we are. I'm like, what the hell? Wait, whoa. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong. Or did I commit? Did I push? No, I didn't. I'm about to share this. That's why I'm like, you know, making sure this is okay. Cope sample. Cope sample. That's what it is. All right, cool. We're done with that. Now, I guess we can add another thing on here for SMS, maybe. Or I'm going to do this. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do it. Fuck it. What's crazy is that by telling ChatGPT to do it, I'm going to type more characters than I would actually have to type myself just to do it. I could literally copy and paste the input, but I'm not gonna do that. I need another field to collect a phone number. All right, and watch, it's gonna rewrite all of this, burn all this energy when all it needs to do is just give me this input type, and then I think it's phone or something like that. Yeah, it's rewriting the whole goddamn thing. Here it is. This is all I needed is tell. Yeah, this is all I needed. It's gonna go and waste energy doing all this other crap. All right, let's go to index and we'll dump this here. I don't like that space. All right, so we have the type, tell, ID, phone, input, placeholder, enter your phone number. Oh yeah, I guess I could have a placeholder. That makes sense, yeah. Let's move my ID to here. I normally like my IDs at the front, but I didn't do it this time for whatever reason. Actually, does it matter how they enter their number? Oh, no, it doesn't matter. Let's, we'll deal with that later. All right, so we have the phone number as input. All right, so we're gonna have another thing in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have another one called submit SMS. And the reason for that is that I think, if I'm not mistaken, we're doing one of each. Email, login form, email, and SMS coupon code. We expect a sample. Email and SMS coupon code. Is that what this one is? Email. Okay, so this must be the email. All right, and then we need to have a button in the email that probably has a specific link. Wait a minute, hold on, this is weird. Oh, I see. Okay, so there must be a number in here. So we're gonna have to, I guess we're gonna have to include a number that we then, in the URL, that's what I mean. There needs to be a phone number in the URL. So that when we deep link, it opens this up with the 2 fat scroll, and then who types this in? Send this text to describe to recurring. Yeah, I wonder like who sends that in? Like how does that work? Let's see, deep link, iMessage, with message and 2. I was expecting the whole doc, and that's what I got. is this not giving me Apple's docs? SMS links. Oh wait, the SMS scheme is used to launch the messages app. All right, the format is SMS phone number. All right, I need to keep track of this one. Let me add this to my notes. Yeah, this is old, but we get SMS phone where the phone is an optional parameter. Okay, so that's how we can get that number, but I don't know how it, how does it go to? Wait a minute. New SMS message. HTML links, native app URLs. I think I need to test this. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna copy this. All right, and then we'll dump it on here. It'll make sense in a second. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, so let's go and look at it. All right, so we have this right here. So let's open up a simulator. Oh, I already have one open. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna go to this machine here, which I should be able to access it. No. What's the name of this machine? Is it, what is this? Is this Chronos? This is Chronos, okay. Interesting. Why isn't that working? Let's see. No, I don't think that's it. Is it hosts? Yeah. Hermes. Okay. One of these IP addresses should work. 2124. Let's try that one. I think that's, I've already forgotten it. I've already forgotten what it was. I got it right. 192.168.2.124, and then we'll try 185. Oh, there it is. Okay, perfect. Okay, I see. I got a message. Oh, my bad. Do you think that billionaires became billionaires because they knew the past, or they had to discover it at some point, or is it just revelation to them? I don't think it's any of it. I think they just get lucky. Most of them. Some of them come from family wealth, so it's like, you know, you're going to get richer. But the other folks who became billionaires, I imagine this as a result of whatever business they created, and I would assume that wasn't their goal. I know more than a few very well-off people, and one thing that seems common is that none of them are worried about trying to make money and all that kind of stuff. That's not even a thing. It's other things that they're into. Waste or invest is a question. When said in a religious way, it sounds like this: the Christ, you either build with me or you are without me. Misinterpreted. I don't know. Wait, Wait, when did I say that? I don't understand. Waste or invest is the question. Well, you could do both. I mean, you could do both. That's what I've been doing. All right, let's see if this is going to launch the messages app. And it does. Look at that. It does. Okay. So let's make some changes to this. Let's see if we can put in a message or a phone number. So we're going to put my phone number, which is 1. Or can I do that? Actually, I don't know how the phone number needs to be formatted. Is it? Okay, 1 dash. Okay, I see. Okay. So instead of the space, it's going to be 1 dash 234 567 8901. So we'll save that and let's reload that in the simulator. Cancel. And we'll go back here. Refresh. Ah, look at that. It works, but it's saying no name. Okay. All right, so this is old. So obviously there is more here. So Apple URL scheme. This is, I don't think they use URL schemes anymore. I think they got rid of that. URL scheme. I forget what the new one is that they want. I think it's universal links or something like that they want people to use now. And that's URL schemes. All right, here we are. But this isn't the one that I want. Oh wow, whoa. They haven't updated this shit? Maybe I should search under universal links. What is this? Defining a custom, allowing apps and websites to link to you. Okay. Universal links. Okay, this is probably what I should be using. Nah, never mind. This may not be what I want. I can't believe that this is still valid from 2017. And the reason why I'm asking is because and obviously I haven't actually looked at our design enough to know if it's actually possible. Like I don't really know. I don't pay attention that much to iOS, but I kind of assumed that I'll be able to do this. This parameter can contain the digits 0 through 9 and a plus, hyphen, and period character. The URL stream must not include any message, text, or other information. The following example shows. Yeah, like how in the hell? I don't want it to say no name. Custom URL not recognize this link. That's not it. Mac message show. Okay, this is useful. Maybe there's some information here beyond. No, there's not. Messages. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. SMS phone number. That's all I can do. That sucks. I was hoping that I could do more than that. Wait a minute. SMS phone number. What am I doing? Am I doing SMS or am I doing tel? I forgot. It's SMS. Okay, we're good. All right, well, I'm going to assume that I can't. Wait a minute. What did I just do? Yeah, I'm going to assume that I'm not going to be able to deliver one of these things. Let me star this so I don't lose it. Okay, so with that, technically, I don't really need to do much different. In fact, I don't really need to do anything different. I could just extend this method here. I'm not going to do that though. I'm going to do what I was initially starting to do, which is to copy all of this essentially. The pattern's the same. That's why I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do this for now, and then eventually I'll merge them together. So we'll call this submit SMS phone number, maybe phone. And this is gonna be SMS, and this is gonna be the what input is it called? The phone input. All right, like that. And then we won't opt in initially. We'll do false. And I think this is to support the double opt-in thing. So, or is it? I can't actually test this, to be honest. I don't have a app with SMS set up. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, maybe I can do that now. Oh, before I do any of that, let me delete. All right, do I want to delete? Oh, excuse me. Let's get some stuff cleaned up a little bit. Why is it just loading there? That's weird. And where's my browser? Okay. Oh, okay. This is easy. So I've already done most of the work. Okay, so what I need to do is write this copy in the app and then make this a conditional the company name. And then this link here, all I need to do is like put the phone number in there. And if you click it, it'll open this up. The problem is that I can't tell them to like this won't be able to be the message. It's gonna have to be something else. Let me let Ashlyn know, our product manager for this. Oops, I'm over here typing in the wrong thing. All right, let's just implement this flow. It's fairly easy to do. Oh, I have messages, my bad. Let's see here. Maybe you should start offering your services. I don't know. We're beyond all the schemas, pretty much all over your screens. I don't mind just eating beans nor papa greens while efficient. I don't know if I understand. And you, dear my shepherd, are doing this for a small percentage just to keep your own comfort going. A percentage? I'm not getting, bro. What are you? I don't get shit. I don't get paid for this. Not for live streaming. Not on YouTube. If anything, I pay YouTube to stream. I have to have an internet connection, my own stuff. Let's find. Oh, this is okay. I'm tripping. Wait. Where did I stored? I saved something somewhere. Oh, here we are. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, let's do this right here. So create an app. Although honestly, most of this is. Let me let her know this one too. I wonder if, oh, this is her moving stuff around. Oh no, this is someone else. I guess maybe she's talking about it. I don't know. They're editing the design now. I'm like, I don't know if I can do this. Maybe I can. I wonder, let's see. We're going to ask ChatGPT. I don't want to just, now that I'm paying for it and it's expensive, it's just mostly trash. I'm like, let me see if I can figure out some decent use case for it. So far, I've just been disappointed. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just disappointed. Let's see. URL scheme messages, pre-fill message, iOS, possible. Okay, someone says, oh, okay. So you can add a query parameter. Okay. Interesting. And a quick SMS body. Okay. All right, cool. You give it a body, a query, a search param essentially. And it looks like it needs to be URL encoded. So let's see if that works. Because my coworker is saying that someone, I don't know what worked means, but I'm going to assume she means that he got it to work. So we're going to see if we can get it to work. I'm pretty sure we can. I just didn't know I can do this. So we're going to go to that link that I deleted and we're going to re-add it. Or not. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So we want the anchor tag, this one. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. And then we're gonna do a body equals test. Let's try that. All right, open up the simulator. Refresh, and let's see. Ah, look at that. Okay, perfect. Never mind. So let me let her know she's good. All right, cool. So this will work. I still don't know how to get the name, but I don't know. Maybe that's another query param. Maybe I can do. It would be awesome if this were documented. I didn't see that documented anyway, where I was looking. Okay. All right. Well, it's good enough for me. Let's go do this other thing. We'll go to app.one signal. And I think I have emails set up. I hope. Maybe. Shit. I don't. Fuck. Oh, man. This is gonna... All right. Okay. Maybe I set it up in this one over here. I hope. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I need email for this. Activate. I don't know if I'm supposed to use if they're cool with me using our email thing, because they say like not to do something. I don't know. Let me just ask her if she's cool with it. Oh, actually, you know what? No, I have an app. What? Well, I don't have an app. There is an app that I can use. Demo page, or there should be the all something all demo testing. Yeah, this one. This should have email set up. Google. Yes, perfect. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna create a message then, or a template rather. We'll call this a new email template. Or actually, let me see if she screw it. Even if they have one, I don't care. I'm gonna do this, I guess. Okay. Yeah, go away. Oh, fuck. Shit. Fuck. Why is it not? Okay. All right. And it's still not closing the right thing. All right, I give up. It's not closing what's in focus. I don't understand. It's closing other things. I don't understand what that was. Gosh, that's annoying. I just closed all my shit. I don't remember what I had open. Maybe it wasn't important. Oh, okay. I can just take the message. All right, perfect. Well, yeah, that's what I have. All right, yeah. So we'll take this text right here. All right, and let's dump it in my little thingamajig. Send this message to the receive. All right, perfect, cool, we're good. So that's good. We're good on that. Let's commit or push or do something. Did I just lose Visual Studio Code? Like what's going on? Is it? Oh, okay. I didn't. Okay. All right. Huh? Wait. Already up to date. How? Oh, okay. I didn't realize I typed pull. I don't know why, but okay. I don't. This is weird, especially if you've been typing for a long time and you're decent at it. I'm curious. Do you ever find yourself not thinking about what you're typing, and then you'll look and you'll be like, "What the hell did I just type?" Or you'll be thinking one thing, you'll type something else. I have a. This is not a habit. It's something that started happening recently where if I'm typing and like somebody's talking to me at the same time, I will accidentally type what they're telling me. Like I could be thinking about something else, thinking about typing something else, thinking that I'm typing the other thing, and then I'll look and I'm like, oh shit, that's not what I'm. Okay, anyway, let's go on to my email that I was about to work on. And I think I decided that I'm just going to use, where's Chrome? Did Chrome just crash? All right, I need to do better with these browsers. Oh, excuse me. Login is an easy one, I think, because this is going to happen on the server side. So we'll do that next. No. We're not. We're going to do the other one next. This one. Coupon code promotional opt-in, I guess. Or is it promotional double opt-in? Or is it promotional text to, okay, this is what I'm working on. Promotional text to describe. This is more than one thing. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is like 4 things. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is 5 things. Oh man, I didn't realize it was this much. All right, well, let's get this thing designed, I guess. I don't know where this is. Like, where is this represented in the UI? I don't see that. I don't see any other stuff that I need that I was just looking at. go to my other scene. Oh wait, no, we can't go to that scene yet. I have to start something up. Many... There we go. All right, look at that. Look at that. Now I don't know why I have 2 guests on here. Like that shouldn't be here. So get rid of that. Doesn't matter. I guess we'll do PNG. I think WebP is supported too. We'll do PNG. Oh, what? Wait a minute. I'm what? Oh, okay. All right. I thought I just saved this to my desktop. Okay. Not just padding. Yes. It's good enough, I guess. We won't go all the way black on them. We'll give a little bit of lightness. Black doesn't really exist in nature. And SF Pro. Can we do that? Can I do SF Pro? This is interesting. There is no. Okay, I guess it's the footer text maybe. Okay, so next I need a button and then a link button. So we'll do, this is the main CTA, which get 20% off now. Wait, how are they? Oh, we're sentence casing it? Okay. That doesn't feel right to me. That feels a little more right. All right, cool. So that'll do something. Oh, and when you sign up for text and email. Wait, when you sign up for text and email. Okay. Why can't I select this text? Oh my gosh, this is painful. No, don't. All right, we are 20-point font here. Oh man, wait a minute. Is this 20 point? Nah, I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do this. Not using our builder, at least. The thing about email is that you never want to write your own emails from scratch. You think you do, but you don't. Now there are options. I used to use something called Maisel, which isn't very well supported. Oh shit, Braze bought them? Wait a minute. Oh wait, no, never mind. They just, I see, all right. Yeah. So I used to use this right here, Maisel. And I don't know, maybe they've done some more stuff lately. Their website is different. I mean, there's that. Let's go to their repo right click. Framework. Last thing is in July 18th. But that's the framework. The CLI, June. Interesting. But I think there's something else now called React Email or something like that. All right, I just got my dev mode. I can do dev mode stuff now. Next generation of writing email. So yeah, I can do this. If these emails have to look exactly like this, there's not much of an option. I would like to see how much I can get done without having to resort to that though. So I'm gonna casually ignore that, and let's just get this button color. We can figure that out. Purple 600. Okay, I was like, are we using Tailwind? But we're not. It would be nice if we were. We're just using plain white. All right. Yeah, this is the issue, is that I want this to be bigger, but I don't want this to be bigger. My solution for that is to just not care. I'm just gonna move on. All right, let's do the other thing, which I think is a link button. Is there not a URL? Oh, okay. I guess I could just make my own button. I could do that. Yeah, let's try that. In fact, I'm not even going to try it. Now that I have dev mode enabled, let me refresh. I'll just come back out. Ah, shit, not fun. Okay. It only does the styles. Although it is, I guess it is just using the button though. Yeah, I guess I could do that, sure. But wait a minute, can I put CSS in here? Let's see if I can throw some CSS in here. Oh wait, what? What was that? Actually, screw it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna put my link. I lied. All right, so we're gonna link off to somewhere. We're gonna build the link. Oh wait a minute. We're not gonna build the link. Yeah, we still are. But it's gonna say no thanks, I think. Uh-oh, my computer's lagging. All right, the reason why I want to build a link is that maybe they want to like take into account who this person is, you know, that kind of thing. And we can get that kind of information by doing tag substitution or like substitution. I'm just call it that. We can get data is what I'm trying to say. So we can get some data here, and then we can do the same thing here as well. So to figure out what data we can get, I don't actually know. I don't remember. So I'm just gonna go look at the docs. Okay, so we get the subscription. Okay. Or do we get the subscription? guess that doesn't have a subscription. Okay, so subscription, does it have an external ID? I don't see an external ID. All right, I'm gonna have to figure. I'm gonna have to ask someone on this one. Username. Oh, that's just tags. Okay. I think this is a mistake. It would make sense to me if it were user.tags.username. I'm very, very, very confident that that's what it should be. So I'm just going to go and change it. Or maybe I can suggest it. Yeah, I can suggest to edit. Yeah, that makes my life a little bit easier. Now if I can just find it again. What is that even? I forgot what that even is. I've literally forgot what I've done. You know what? I'm gonna have to be the one who has to approve it anyway. I'm just gonna save it. We're good. Look at that. All right, cool. So that's okay now. I'll figure out what this should be. I'm trying to think where can I think I can use Vercel because I'm paying them money every month. And I should at least get my money's worth. Like I haven't used them to do anything lately. I want to say that I can create, what do you call those functions? So serverless functions, whatever you call them, the things that they do. Let's see, security, rendering, observability. Is it really Next.js that I have to do these things on? Where are the docs? Oh, okay. I'm like, I'm just looking for docs. I assume that would be the whole page, but I guess not. It almost feels like I live my life in docs, so I just expect that to be the thing that I see. All right, I'm gonna have to make sure I set up some protection so I don't get screwed. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is creating a project. So for now, I'm gonna call it devrel dot one signal .com, and we're gonna go to what route do I want to go? I'm going to assume it'll be some API. I don't know. Let's just call it API for now. And then, I don't know. Didn't opt into SMS or something like this. I don't know what we want to call it. Just opted. Did not opt. How about that? Did not opt in. Something like that. And then, what I can do is I can encode some data inside of this URL. So I'm not having to, like, I don't have to do a post. So when they click it, you know, it'll send some request off to my thing, you know. And then this could be a page. Actually, yeah, this should be a page. Now that I think about it. Yeah, this should probably be a page. So this won't be an API. There'll be some stuff that'll run on the page that can call the API from there. So that way, yeah, we'll know if they click it. Yeah, I think that's better. So yeah, we're gonna go to my page, which is, it doesn't exist yet, but it will one day. This will be HTTPS. And the key here is that this is going to be a page that you control, that I build, or whoever controls. And it's going to have some JavaScript that's going to run that will make a request off to this server here. Give me a second. We'll go off to, we'll go off to something like this, and then say SMS did not opt in or something like that. And then it would have in it the query, like, you know, the people. So I can still encode that here. So I can say user or subscription. Let's just say subscription, because you can always get back what you need using the subscription. Or we're going to use external ID. Because technically you should have that external ID, and that's what we're telling people they need to have it anyways. All right, and then you can throw that in there, so that'll be there. And then this goes like that now. Yeah, so devrel external ID, it'll be whatever the external ID is. So I guess it'll be user dot external ID, I guess. I don't know what it is. It'll be something like that. All right. Now, obviously, if they don't have a external ID, then, you know, what are we doing? But you can use the one signal ID too, if you prefer. So what will happen is that when they get tossed over to that page, that query is going to be there, that query string. So you can read the query string from the browser and forward that on in the request. So now you know that the person clicks, so you'll register the engagement on top of the read, but it won't be the kind of engagement you want. All right, anyway, let's move on. So this is easy for me now. I'll just do that. It'll just go to some other page for now. And this is probably wrong. This part, I need to figure out exactly what it is, which maybe is here. Subscription, I don't know if that's right. But it's all right. It's on here, so I'm gonna trust it. Okay. Now this doesn't, I don't think we want this to be blue. Oh, okay, I'm tripping. It's wait, what just happened? Whoa. What just happened? Okay, okay. All right, this is all right. I have an idea. It's silly, but it just might work. It just might work. Let's just not use that to do that. I'll do it over here. Oh, not even that. Not even that. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to do it. Forgot. I'm supposed to be using that. ChatGPT. Inline these. Into this. Oops, no. Oh man, yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I assume that that's right. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna take it as is. Okay. Click out. Yeah, there. Yeah, that was right. Cool. Yeah, that was a nice little use of AI. That would have taken me a full, like 2 to 3 minutes to do myself. That's too long. Like real talk, it's tedious. Just like this. All right, so we got everything. I think. Oh, this is size 12 font. Let's remove the padding from the top. I think this needs to have padding from the top removed too. Yeah, we're going to add some padding. Okay, now this URL here, where's the URL? Okay, so we can get the, whoever the number is, you know, we can do this, get the number, we can throw the message in there. So yeah, this is gonna be nice. Okay. All right, it's not a 1-to-1, but that's mostly because I don't want to make my own button, and I don't want to deal with this. The color is not what it should be. Also, you know what? I can deal with this right here. Let's increase the padding here. We'll go to 60 on each side. So that gets this closer to here, because over here, these are closer together. In fact, yeah, no, I'm not gonna change it because it's displayed on a phone. So I think if I do this, yeah, I should remove that padding. All right, yeah, that looks as close to it as possible. Maybe I should move my thing that I'm looking at over here. The weight is off on this. I don't know if I can change the weight. Yeah, I'm not seeing a weight option here. Oh wait, oh, there's this. Yeah, we'll just do regular. All right, that must be like 4. We'll do one more. I'll be right back. I'm back. Had to go get something to drink. Went outside to go enjoy my nice weather. It's amazing outside. It's supposed to rain today and storm later. I thought about going out for a ride as like a little break, but it may start raining by the time I get free time. I have a meeting that goes until noon, and I think the rain starts at around 2. I think that's what it's saying. Let me see. Oh, I'm looking in the wrong country. I'm saying, all right, let's look in the correct country. Oh, it starts at 3. The rain is 3. So I might be able to go out and ride. We'll see. Yeah, let's go back to the screen share. I was thinking about this, and I think I'm gonna have to make a button. Well, let's create another thing. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm now realizing this won't actually work. Not the way that I expect. At least with the layout. So I'm not gonna do any of the layout stuff. I think I should be. I think this is supported. I hope. We'll see. And for what it's worth, I'm talking about the supported in the email client, right? So this isn't This isn't web stuff anymore. This is firmly in the realm of email. So you can't lay stuff out the way that you would on the web. You have to basically, it uses tables. It's stuck in the 90s essentially. And this looks wrong, but that's because I need to get the text style now. I'm not sure if I can use divs either. I don't know if I can use divs. Maybe I can. If I can, maybe sure, but I'm not going to use it for now. I wonder where this padding is coming from. I don't understand why I couldn't just give me the H2. That would have been more efficient, but maybe they don't care about saving the world from global warming. That's still not right. Font style, normal font weight. This font. I think I may see what may have happened. Maybe, I don't know. Let's try this again. I don't remember. Yeah, okay. I didn't include everything. Oops. There we go. I'll just retype it. This is 2, whatever that is. So I'm gonna add margin. How is margin specified? I forgot. Is it PX? Yeah. Is that close enough? A little farther. All right. I don't know how to see the distance between things. I know how to do that in Sketch, but not here. I noticed that we're using like, wait, it's not doing anything anymore. Oh, shit. Okay, yeah, like 24, 36. So these are these are all like 12. So I'm gonna do 12 here. 12 or 24. Or they could be factors of 4, which would mean 16 would be valid. I'm gonna do negative 12. That looks good enough for me. The font looks different though. It looks weird. And I know it's because the font family is different. I wonder what's constraining the width of this button. It's constrained to the content. I don't want it to do that. I can just do width 100%. I thought I had to do something else since it was in the context of something else, but maybe not. That's easy. It's too easy, which makes me think it won't work. Yep, exactly. It won't work. What if I then add padding of like 10 px everywhere? Not padding. This is interesting. It's just min width here. How wide is this? Oops. it's still awkward that it's pushed to the right more. Is there like a center thing on here? Yeah, I'm not sure why this is being pushed to the right, but whatever. It looks okay enough. It looks better than it did. So with that, we're gonna change is the color the same? All right, yeah, so we'll move this up. To here. And then I think this can go, okay, yeah, this can go away for now. So we'll delete. Why did it, now it's weird again. I don't think the box shadow would cause that. So this is no longer going to be a button. It's going to be a anchor tag. And I'm going to give it an href. still doing that thing. All right, no margin. I had to give up. And I guess I don't need this. Oh, excuse me. Oh, haha. I did not know I had that down there. Wait a minute, what? What's going on with this? which one it is. I'm going to keep it at 10. All right, now we can move on to the no thanks. I could have just used a spacer. That's what I needed. Fuck. Oh well. All right, well. Cool. Yeah, it would be dope if I could figure out how to do that, but I'm not going to figure that out. Okay. Now I got to make sure that this href is what it needs to be. So that's going to be the SMS thing, which is a VS Code somewhere. This. Now, this part, the number is. Oh wait, no, the number's not. That's gonna be the same. But this is going to be the, like this is going to come from their account. So I don't know if we can get to this using data substitution or whatever, but I'll ask about it. But it'll be that essentially. It'd be dope if I could test this page. I guess I had to send it. Yeah, let's just send it. I wonder if, did it send? Signal.com. Yeah, I spelled it right. Oh, here it is. It went to spam. Okay. Ah, shit. I'm on my. All right. I don't know if. Let's see if what it does. Does it do anything? All right. So it didn't do anything on my computer. So let me see if it does something on my phone. Oh, I just got a shipment. My other motorcycle parts just arrived. go get those. Spam. All right, get 20. Oh, it looks different on my phone. It's purple on my phone. Report not spam. How about that? Okay. Inbox. All right, the link doesn't work. Whoa. The hell? What did I do? I did something silly, didn't I? No, it's not working. For whatever reason. All right. Well, I don't know why that link doesn't work. I don't know if it's my email client blocking it. Actually, let me check. I can open it on another one. But I have a meeting in a few minutes, so I'm about to go. If you enjoyed any part of this live stream, I would highly appreciate a thumbs up. That helps more than you think. You can also subscribe and follow me on Twitter, Twitch, and anywhere else where there's stuff to be posted. But yeah, y'all have a good rest of the day. And if I don't see you later, maybe I'll see you later in the week. Peace.